This video's about Pittsburgh, the city of three rivers. It's mighty, beautiful. It's Pittsburgh. My guess is if you weren't born here or didn't go to school here, you probably have no idea what's going on here. Well, tighten up, Buttercup. It's a classic American destination born from steel, honest work, and a little bit of attitude. Check that, a lot of attitude. It's mighty, welcoming, surprising. For heaven's sakes, the Bergs got such an ego, they put coleslaw and french fries right on their sandwiches. Take that, Detroit. Yeah, I said it. Roam around Pittsburgh's wide open spaces, filled with natural light and a clean, walkable downtown. Yeah, you won't have to be wiping gum off the bottom of your Jimmy Choos like you have to do in Cleveland. I said it. Hold up a second. Do you like watching this video? Well, if so, say so, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to it. Pittsburgh. Throw calorie caution to the wind and relax with friends at more than 200 restaurants downtown. If you want pierogies stuffed with ice cream, they'll probably do that too, because it's Pittsburgh. Oh, I'm just getting started. Pipe down, Chicago. Pittsburgh's got culture, museums, galleries, and 9 theaters in 14 blocks. They got people dancing and singing on stage right now, probably hopped up on how great Pittsburgh is, which is just a 90-minute flight from 60% of America's population. Or if you live in one of the 9 surrounding states, D.C. or Canada, why don't you borrow your brother-in-law's really nice car when he's not looking, drive 6 hours and call him from the hotel and tell him you'll be back in 3 days after your awesome trip to Pittsburgh, okay? Oh, and you don't even need to pack, because clothing purchases are sales tax-free every day. You've got the power to take the bull by the horns. So I'll see you and your horns in the mighty, beautiful Pittsburgh. I'm getting the coffee. Oh, there's that thing again. Yeah, subscribe to the channel or somebody's going to come over to your house. Well, you get the idea. I'm out.